If you're anything like me, the garage can just become a catch-all. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to organize your garage.
I'm Ginader, a real estate agent with Weichert Realtors. Real estate can be confusing, but I can assist you. So let's chat for a few minutes about Orlando real estate.
Put similar items together. So the gardening tools goes with the gardening tools, sports equipment goes with the sports equipment. And if you're like me, you'll find that you have duplicates that you don't need. I have so many basketball and bike pumps, it's ridiculous. Place items in clear storage bins. If you can't get the clear ones, that's okay. Just make sure you label them, and if they're stackable and the same dimensions, that can really help too. Position your items strategically. So things that you use often, keep them toward the door and easily accessible. And then those seasonal items, maybe they're sort of on the bottom of that stack and a little further away because you're only going to need them every once in a while. And what I try to do is once it is the holiday season, I just bring down all the bins and have them readily available. So in October, I'm not like going to the bottom, getting what I need. And then November, going to the bottom, get what I need. December, go to the bottom, and do all that stuff. Just get it all in one fell swoop. In a few months, you'll be done with it. It all goes in the bottom again and everything's in order. Keep things off the floor like brooms, rakes, stuff like that. You can use a pegboard with hooks or any other kind of system to be able to keep those off of the ground and so you don't trip on them. Overhead storage is another way to add more storage space to your garage. That's another great place to have seasonal items or items that you just don't use a lot. You can put everything up there. And when you're organizing your garage, be careful of what you have in there. You may have some hazardous materials that's best if you don't store in the garage, like gasoline and propane tanks. And any other hazardous materials you have like fertilizer, things like that, you may want to have them locked up or out of the reach of pets and children. I hope these tips were helpful for you. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below, or feel free to call, text me, email me, whatever works best for you. All my information is in the description below. If you got some value from this video, please like and comment. It really does help the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.